Sound is all around us, but what is it? Sound is a type of wave traveling through air, water, or solids. Let's explore the history of sound and acoustics. The science of sound began with early philosophers like Pythagoras. Sound travels in waves, characterized by frequency and amplitude. Frequency determines the pitch of a sound. Amplitude affects the volume we hear. The speed of sound varies in different media. Acoustics is the study of how sound interacts with environments. Human ears detect sound waves through vibrations. Different shapes and materials can alter sound waves. Reverberation adds richness to sound in spaces. Echoes are a result of sound bouncing off surfaces. Doppler effect shows how sound frequency changes with movement. Aivideo, cheap power wave sequence. Noise pollution is an increasing concern in modern cities. Musical acoustics applies these principles to create harmonic. Technological advances enhance our understanding of sound. Acoustics plays a vital role in architecture and design. Future research continues to deepen our knowledge of sound. Understanding acoustics enriches our experience of sound in everyday life.